There are a lot of methods to make money online currently, and the thing is that so many people are actually not patient enough to put in the effort for some of them to be profitable enough. Now, looking at my screen right here, you're going to see that I've been able to generate over 69,000 naira in revenue on this particular website right here. And in my dollar wallet is just $1.50 in my dollar wallet right here. And today in this particular video, I want to show you how you can use this website to make some money for yourself. And please note that this is actually not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just a step-by-step process that I've actually worked out for me, and this is what I'm here to talk about today. I'm actually not guaranteeing you that after watching this video you start making money, but I'm telling you that if you can listen and pay attention, you're going to learn something from this particular video. Now, if you want to get more updates from me, if you want to see more of my content, do well to like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way. There are a lot of ways you can make money online currently. I mean, a lot of ways. You can start affiliate marketing, you can start content creation on YouTube and on Facebook. But the thing is that with affiliate marketing, it actually requires a skill, because you cannot just stand up and say, I am affiliate marketer. No, you need a skill, you need some certain equipment for you to start affiliate marketing, because if you don't know how to market those products, you cannot make money from that. With content creation on YouTube, you need up to 8,000 subscribers and up to 4,000 hours of watch time for you to monetize your YouTube channel, for you to start making money. And this is where most people actually quit. Most people give up. Facebook currently now can monetize you, but they have to invite you into their content monetization program for you to get accepted. I have the third option right here that can help you surpass all those limitations. Now, this particular platform right here is called Seden. By the way, this video is sponsored by Seden. Right, this particular website right here is called Seden, and with Seden right here, I mean the earning potential are limitless. Now, let me show you. Seden is a website that helps creators to break down their earning limitations, because if you're a creator and you're in Nigeria, there are a lot of limitations you might have. Like I mentioned earlier, some of them, most of these are monetized platforms, or most of these platforms that you need to monetize, they have limitations, or they have thresholds. That is where Seden actually comes in, because with Seden you can start making money today on Seden. I know this sounds too good to be true, but that is the reality. And if you come over to their home screen right here, you're going to see different content from different creators. You can even come here and explore different creators on Seden right here, and you can see that different creators are posting their videos right here on Seden. Seden actually has a lot of features, and I'm going to try my possible best to explain them to your understanding one after the other. Now, the first thing here is for you to sign up an account, because if you don't sign up, you can't use it. I mean, you can use it, you can just watch video as a guest, but if you want to start earning from Seden, you have to sign up an account. So I'm going to drop the link for you down below. You can check it out, right? Or you can just visit Seden.com and you sign up an account. That's the first thing you have to do. They have a normal account for anybody that just want to sign up and check out videos on Seden, and they have the creator account. This is an account that creators create, right? This account is for people that want to start posting their videos or uploading their videos to make money on this particular platform. You can create your profile normally just like any other person, and you can start posting clips just like this on Seden, just like you're posting on social media like TikTok and the rest. So that is what these clips here is for. And you can also join their referral program. Recently they have a referral program right here that you can join, and you invite your friends to join you on Seden. You actually get a commission for you getting people to join you on Seden, and you get points, you get money, and you get so many other things. If you want a creator account, well, that is where you need to create a creator account. You can just scroll down here and click on Visit Seden Studios. As a creator on Seden, you have the option, you can set out how much people can pay to access your content, which means you can just create content today, post it on Seden today. I want people to pay me 10,000 naira to watch this video. I want people to pay me 1,000 naira to watch this video. It might be a tutorial, it might be your comedy skits, it might be movies, special movies, special offers, all those stuff. You want support from your community, and they can actually pay to access the videos. As a creator, you have a free account. You can also start posting with your free account. But if you want more from Seden, you have to upgrade your account. That's why you see this upgrade right here. This particular account is 5,000 naira. You can currently pay just 1,000 to access it. So they are running a discount promo right here. You can come here and subscribe quarterly. You can see annually. You can see monthly. So let me see, want to go monthly. They are currently on promo. You can just choose the plan. Just go ahead and click on get started. Just scroll down there and you continue with the process. From there you can actually subscribe. Now remember, if you have any issues with your payment or something, just click on this customer service icon right here. From you can chat with somebody and they can actually help you out. This is something that I like about them, because the customer service right here is very, very active. If you want to pay and you can't, just contact them. If you have paid and you have not gotten any feedback, just contact them and they're actually going to help you out. Now after you upgrade your account, the next thing is for you to come over here and click on settings. You can see my channel right. You can link your channel. You can come here and set up your payout, which is your withdrawal details. You can come here and set up a lot of things right here. Now after you're done with that, just come over here and click on videos right here. Now, as a creator, this is where you can upload your videos. Or what you have to do, just come down here and click on add videos. Once you click on add videos right here, you can come here and click on upload from YouTube. Now you can connect this particular platform to YouTube, you understand. You can just come over here and click on monetize. You can see this monetize right here. Now this is where you can monetize the video. You can choose how you're going to get your payment, either Naira or USD. You can see that. You can choose the both of them. Now after that, you can just come down here, either a one-time payment or subscription. Now one-time payment means they're just going to pay once for the video and access it. Subscription means this is something they need to pay every single month, right? How much do you want people to pay to access your video? It can be 1,000, it can be 10,000, it can be 100,000, based on how valuable your content is. Bundle is when this is like a video pack, so you can actually gather like 10 videos in one bundle, 5 videos in one bundle, 3 videos in one bundle, even 12 videos in one bundle, based on what you are talking about. Monetize videos right here is where you're going to see all the videos you've actually monetized on the platform, that people actually pay to access. And this one, settings, here is where you set up your profile and the rest. Analytics here is where you see how your videos are performing, the top videos, how many views your video have, how many new followers you have, how many subscribers you have. That's what you're going to see in this particular analytics. This helps you to understand how your videos are performing, if they are performing well or not. Simple and straight to the point. As a creator right here that have tutorials to create, or you have something upstairs, you have knowledge you want to share to people, you can use Seden to share your knowledge and make money from your knowledge. You can start creating videos today and start making money today. Don't forget their referral program. If you refer a creator, you get a percentage of their subscription. If you refer a normal person, you also get a little commission for inviting people on the platform. So start referring and start earning, start creating content and start earning. And for me personally, I post some of my tutorials on Seden. That's the truth too. I post some of my tutorials on Seden. If you have not followed me on Seden, you can just come down here and follow me on Seden, right? I have over 284 followers. All the people that follow me on Seden, thank you very much. I really, really appreciate your effort, your love, and your support. You can also come down here and follow me on Seden. Let's share more content together. Don't forget to tell me what you think about Seden in the comment section, guys.